Hello viewers, I've been telling you a lot of customization features that are actually available on Nova Launcher. Now let me get into the next level of customization that you can actually enjoy on your Android devices. When we usually change a wallpaper, we do have some disturbances with the icons that are actually available on the dock or even on the app drawer. We can actually change those colors and can make actually suitable with them. So let me show you how to change app icon background color and the simplest way to customize the app icons that are actually available on your Android device. Without any delay, let's get started. So in this video, the app that I'm going to use to customize the app icons or the app icon pack is Icon Pack Studio. It will be available on Play Store. When you just open the app, you will be displayed the community, which will be having the trending app icons and icon packs that are actually available. This is a free app and has some paid features in it, but we do have a lot of free features that can be accessed. For now, let me firstly change my wallpaper. I say wallpapers. I'm having this green barley wallpaper with me. In the previous video, I've just shown you how to unlock Nova Launcher Prime features without any cost. So I've been using that with me, and I do have some gestures fixed. So when I just use my two fingers and swipe up, this will be quickly opening the Nova settings. Previously I said you about icon pack, so it has given me a notification. Wallpaper change detected. Tap to update your icon pack. That's the best feature of that app. Now we can go to home screen, then to dock. I'm just doing this to match the color of the dock with the wallpaper, which will be giving even more good look and will reduce the disturbance between the colors. So we can say dock background. Here we can choose the color. Swipe up. The wallpaper color is basically of green, so I can say it green. Yes. We can also set the transparency. I'll be reducing transparency a bit, so yeah, this could be good. 78% will be good for me. Yeah, we can see the change in the color of the dock. That's really great. We got a green color now. To customize even more, we can actually create an icon pack from this app, Icon Pack Studio. Opening it, I'll say new. We'll be using minimal icon. Minimal icon pack will be having a lot more customization features available than other icon packs. In this, we'll go to background and then say fill. We have an option here of add color. We can say fixed color and we'll be getting options of different colors. So I'll be choosing green. We do have a gradient here. So now to just make it one single color, we can go back and say color position 2 would be 4. So we can actually have it a green. So saying preview, now here we can see that all the apps in my device are now getting a background of green color with a bit of changes in the app logos. I'm actually impressed with this. So I can say apply. For our safety, because even if you don't like the color, we can actually change it anytime we want. So we'll be saying create a copy and say okay. We'll be naming this as green theme pack. Okay, and again okay. To speed up the process, it will be asking us to install some other apps. We actually are not in a need of that. So let's say okay. We're having a notification. It says your icon pack is ready. So tapping it, it will say it doesn't require any special access, so we'll say install. But for the first time when you're doing this, it will ask you to trust you the app, and it'll just ask you to allow installation from this source. The app is now installed. Let's say open. Here now we are saying the green theme pack and say apply. Nova Launcher will be asking your permission to apply this app. Let's say okay. Here we go. We have the app icon pack updated. Now it's a full-on green theme. So once I swipe up the dock, here we'll be having a black background with green icons on it. It's a bit of contrast. So you can actually choose it from the Nova Launcher settings. Going to Nova settings, in the second option, app drawer. Here we having a option called background color just below the icon layout. So here you can actually choose a color which matches the theme color of the app icons that you have selected. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for even more tech updates. Thank you.